Welcome to Enterprises Elite. Today we're going to show you how to wholesale a house step by step. Let's go.
This example in Houston, Texas, because this is our #1 city. The best part of PropStream is the lists of motivated sellers. So I've had the best luck with these 3 lists. We've done the most deals with these 3, so I'll show you. Vacant properties, these people have a property that they're paying taxes and holding costs like insurance and whatever repairs are needed on the property. They're paying for that stuff and they're not getting any return on their money. So they're just leaking money every month, leaking cash flow. That is why you can help them. You find that person, you talk to them, the likelihood of them selling is high. My second favorite is senior owners. These people, typically you're helping them move on to the next chapter of their life. Their retirement, they don't want to stay in the same house they've been in for 30 years. They want to move on, like Florida or somewhere with a lot of older folks in retirement communities. So assist them with that. You're in the business of solving problems, okay? The next that I suggest is pre-foreclosures. We've gotten plenty of deals with pre-foreclosure properties. So we'll just do an example here in Houston, pre-foreclosures, boom. There's 863 pre-foreclosures in Houston, Texas. These people need to sell their property or else they're gonna get 7 years of a ding on their credit that it makes it very hard to rent and own property. Nobody wants that, and you can assist them before that imminent foreclosure happens. Okay, it's your job to solve their problem, call them and make them an offer to get them out of that situation. So guys, these are 3 lists I suggest. Step 2 is skip tracing these properties. So there's 2 ways to do this, guys. You can do this either on truepeoplesearch.com, True People Search. And what this is gonna do is let you search somebody's phone number for free. So for example, we'll click this one on PropStream and we'll say, okay, well, that's an LLC. We'll switch that up. Thomas Hunt, okay? If I want to find Thomas Hunt in Texas, I can search his name right here and get his phone number. Okay, that's going to take roughly 2 minutes per lead. So you could do that for all 800 of these if you guys don't want to spend any money. Now, the other option is you click this, you add to list, you click create new, Houston, you name it. I'm going to call this one Houston pre-foreclosures. We have 800 pre-foreclosures that we can now skip trace on PropStream. Do that right here, skip tracing, select contacts, select group, and we're going to do Houston pre-foreclosures right there. Okay? That is how you're going to get their phone number. Call these people. Okay, you're probably wondering, what do I say? You can download our script in the Valuable Resources tab of our Discord. So go to the Valuable Resources tab once you join the Discord. You can find that in the bio of this video. And you are going to download the script in here, okay? It is right here, the PDF file. So now, once you read this script, you'll know exactly what to say and how to say it confidently. Guys, keep in mind, when you're calling these people, these are very motivated people, and it takes 50 offers to get 1 deal. So make sure you're tallying on a piece of paper every offer you make, every time you say a number to a seller. You can make 50 offers this week, and the average deal is $25,000. So as long as you understand your numbers, and these are backed by hundreds of deals that we've done, you understand that it is an average of 50 offers. It could take 60, it could take 30 if you sound really confident with our script. So guys, download this script and start making offers immediately once you get this list. Okay, we are moving on to step number 4. You've made your 50 offers to the seller and you got an offer accepted. Okay, we use this one as an example. You said, hey, Mr. Rubin, you used our script and you made an offer for $200,000. He said yes, and now you have an opportunity to get a contract signed. So what you're going to do is you're going to send him the contract via DocuSign.com, or you can go there and print the contract out and have him sign it in person. You can get the contract. You can use ours. We've been using it for years. Done hundreds of deals with this contract. It's been edited by attorneys. We've literally spent over 10 grand in attorney's fees. just getting this contract perfect for a wholesaler. So that's definitely a good one to use. You can download that in the valuable resources tab of the Discord. And you have Ruben sign it. Step number 5, the last and final step to closing a wholesale deal, is finding a cash buyer for that deal. Now, you got the purchase and sale agreement. That's the contract with the seller. You got that signed by Ruben for $200,000. Now you're going to go find a cash buyer in that area. You can find that on PropStream. Just change the filter from pre-foreclosures in Houston to cash buyers. That's simple. You're going to look for a cash buyer that has a similar property. You can filter this even more. I mean, there's many cash buyers in this area. Somebody would love that deal because if they're buying cash, they're an investor. They make their livelihood off of buying real estate. So you calling them up and saying, hey, I have a deal for you, they're going to love you. So you can find that on PropStream, or us sell your deal for you quickly. We can do that for you as a benefit of being a Discord member. We sell our Discord members deals all the time, and we would love to sell your deal and split the profits with you. So not only will we teach you the game in our Discord, but we will also sell your deal for you. So guys, if you're wholesaling, you need this software. That's it. I mean, that's plain and simple. It's the backbone of any wholesaling company. You can try it out for a week if you use the link in our bio, and if you do use that link, you also get a discount. And you can also use our Discord. That is very useful as well. You get our contracts, scripts, you get mentor coaches in there as in the form of moderators. You get a community of like-minded individuals that are also paying for the Discord, and it's an overall great networking and learning and partnership community. So those are the steps. That's how you wholesale, guys. Take action. Scared money does not make money.